Welcome to Windows Guide. If your mic is not working for a specific application, then the first solution is to allow permissions for that application. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Privacy and Security tab on the left pane. In the right pane, scroll down to the App Permissions section and click on Microphone. Turn the switches on for microphone access and let apps access your microphone. Then turn the switch on for the application you are using the microphone with. In my case, it is Cortana. In your case, it could be Skype, a game, or any other application. The second solution is to reset Windows settings without modifying or deleting any application. Right-click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Scroll down to Recovery in the right pane and click on it. Click on Reset PC. Select Keep My Files. Thank you for watching this video. Please feel free to subscribe to our channel.